Hello, Jai Hind and welcome back students in the second module of square roots. In this module we are going to study about finding square roots through different methods. So first of all, this is the first method, finding the square roots through repeated subtraction. So students, as we know, every square number can be expressed as a sum of successive odd natural numbers starting from 1. Right, so this property can be used for finding a square root by repeated subtraction started from 1. So for example, if we find the square root of 81, we subtract successive odd number from 81 till we get the result 0. Okay, when we get the result 0, then we'll stop and we will count how many steps are there for finding the square root of 81, for finding the result 0. Let's check. In this example, under root 81, so we follow the step 1 is 81 minus 1 will get result 80. Then second step is 80 minus 3 is 77. Now the third one is 77 minus 5 is 72. Then the fourth step is 72 minus 7, that is 65. Then 65 minus 9 is 56. 56 minus 11 is 45. 45 minus 13 is 32. 32 minus 15 is 17. And at the ninth step, 17 minus 17 is 0. So if we get 0, so we will stop, and this shows that 81 is a perfect square also, because we will get 0. Okay, now 81, so square root of 81 is given by in how many steps we will get 0, the final result 0. So we use 9 steps, so square root of 81 is 9. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. Try this, given on page number 100 of first and second question only. That means you have to check 121 is a perfect square or not, and then find the square root of 121. Right, now come to the next one. This is the next method in which finding square root through prime factorization method. So we are using prime factorization method for finding square root. So you know that prime factorization means we use only prime factors to factorize a number. Okay, so for example, we are going to find square root of 7056 using this method. Please have a check. So first of all, 7056 is an even number, so it must be divisible by 2. So divide this number by 2. We'll read the table of 2. 2 3s are 6 and 1 is left. It becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Now here it is 5 only. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. It becomes 16, and 2 8s are 16. Now again it is even number, so it must be divisible by 2 again. 2 1s are 2. It becomes 3 minus 2 is 1. It becomes 15. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. That 1 becomes, here it becomes 12. So 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again it is even number, so divisible by 2 again. 2 8s are 16. 1 17, so it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Now it is not an even number, so we'll check by 3. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 4, it becomes 14, and 3 4s are 12. 12 13 14, 2 is left, it becomes 21. 3 7s are 21. Okay, now check again, this 147 is divisible by 3 or not. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 13 14, 2 is left, 27. 3 9s are 27. Okay, now what to do next? 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. We have to check by the next prime number, that is 5. Since the last digit is 9, it is not divisible by 5. So we have to check the next prime number, that is 7. Yes, 49 is divisible by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, and then 7 ones are 7. We have to stop over here. Okay, then what to do next? So we'll write 7056 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means 4 times 2. Then into 3 into 3, and then into 7 into 7. Okay, so we'll take the pair, we'll get the 4 pairs. So there are one pair is 2 into 2, another pair is 2 into 2, another 3 into 3, and another one 7 into 7. So square root of 7056 is equal to, we may write also like this way. We have 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2 means 2 to the power 4 into 2 times 3, 3 to the power 2 into 2 times 7, so 7 to the power 2. And as we know, when we'll take out the numbers outside the radicals, this square radical, so what to do, we'll write, take the half of the powers. Okay, we will take half of the powers, like it is 2 to the power 4, so it becomes 2 to the power 2 into half of 2 is 1, so 3 to the power 1 into half of 2 is 1, so 7 to the power 1. So square bracket is over, so this becomes 2 square is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and the result is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 7s are 84. So square root of 7056 is 84. This is the answer. So like this way we are going to solve the sums given in exercise. Okay, so take care and bye students. Have a nice day.